Hello friends, what else can make us more happier than meeting you all in person? Yes, IMTEX is around the corner and it is just a week away, and our entire team is buzzing with energy and enthusiasm to welcome you all at hall number 5 and stall number 8110. Creating solutions beyond machines. This is not just a tagline, it's not a marketing hook. This is what we are. We create solutions for your challenges. This is what makes us different from others. Many of you may have seen the open house which we have recently at our Bengaluru facility. There are the technical experts, application experts demonstrated the prowess and performance of the machines. And please remember, our doors are always open for you to experience and explore all our products at any point of time at your convenience and at your will and wish. At IMTEX, even without a live cutting machine on the floor, we are bringing something more powerful, more valuable for you. We are bringing our knowledge, expertise and passion to help you win, to help you to scale up. Our strongest lineup of application experts, deep technical insights and powerful digital experience are awaiting you at IMTEX. So please come and experience the solutions beyond machines. See you there.